Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to redeem Sephora gift card on app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to redeem a Sephora gift card on app, first thing that you need to do is simply head over and open up the Sephora application and make sure you are logged into your Sephora account. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is tap on the me icon on the bottom of your screen, and then once you're inside here, what you need to do is select account. Then inside account, select payment methods or gift card and promo codes. Then what you need to do is enter your gift card details. Select that gift card or redeem gift card, then enter the following details exactly as printed on the card, like gift card number, code, PIN or security code if applicable. And once that's done, what you need to do is simply tap on add or redeem, and your gift card balance will now appear in your Sephora account. Then when you check out, your gift card balance will automatically apply, and if your purchase exceeds the gift card balance, you can pay the remaining with another payment method. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. If this video was useful to you, leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.